Hey guys, it's the Stihl km56rc. I just got this attachment yesterday, and I got the line and the oil, which you've probably already seen this if you've seen my other video. The one on how much I paid will be up later. I just filmed that actually. But anyway, we're gonna do a cold start of this. So I know you can see. It is cold now. I'm not gonna touch the muffler. You just have to believe me. It is, but I don't know why people do that. Don't ask me. But paint can. That ain't no test. Now you get to the real stuff. Here's the real stuff. There's the real test. And if it didn't get all shitted up and tangled, probably would have been even better. She's not new now. Did pretty good. Cutting that high crap. And I cut between those two trees there on the hill and stuff where I can't get the mower, so. Alright guys, thanks for watching.